Hey, so I'm here to talk to you about the Midea Inverter window air conditioner. I've had it for about a little bit over a month now, and honestly, it's like one of the best purchases I've ever made. Like, it's just so nice, so quiet, and actually just works so well. I want to first give you a little bit of a tour of my space to kind of like let you know what kind of space I'm working with and why it's been kind of hard to find an AC that worked for me. So this window AC is cooling down the entirety of my downstairs, which includes the family room, dining room, which you're seeing here, and the kitchen. But it has to go past those stairs. So before I had the Midea U inverter window AC, I had a portable air conditioner, which was from Air or Hair. I don't really know how you pronounce it. And then another one from Frigidaire. The Hair one, portable one, was 14,000 BTU, and the Frigidaire was 10,000. The portable one was extremely loud and barely cooled any space. The Frigidaire was still pretty loud, but it did do a pretty good job of cooling down my downstairs, but it didn't get it cold. Whereas the Midea U inverter cooled down the entirety of my downstairs. So kind of to give you a look into how loud each system was and compare it, I'm gonna show you each system. So as I've noted before, the Midea U inverter AC was significantly quieter, way more efficient as far as like cooling down the space. And also it's just like really nice. You can turn, if you use the app, you can have the LEDs completely off, which is nice. I really enjoyed the scheduling feature from the app, so that I can have it turn on before I even come downstairs, before I start work each day. And also, so the installation didn't work for my window. I think in the instructions, the track is supposed to fit within the window track, and mine didn't. So my track is like my thing that holds the AC up is actually within the window, on the inside of the window, but it does a good job. And I actually didn't have to screw anything, which was nice, because I read a couple of reviews about people having them and them not working, so I didn't want to screw it in the window if I had to take it back for any reason. But it's been a month, still working great. I highly recommend it. Yeah. So just to walk you through my setup a little bit, I actually have my curtains going behind the unit, which was nice to kind of like block out some of the light. But you can see what I was talking about here. This track is actually supposed to be inside the window track, but it wouldn't fit within my track, so I had to install it on either side, actually inside my house. Some people have complained about like the air gaps. I did just get like this AC foam, which I use for all my window ACs, which has been great. And yeah, it's pretty silent. I do sometimes forget that it's on, but it's not so quiet that if you're actively listening for it, you won't hear it. But it is quiet enough to not be distracting. And as far as like opening the window, because I know that's a feature that they advertise, I do that. I will just open up the top window because I have moved my screen up, and that's been nice for circulation, just like in my house, because my windows are super tall. And it does come with a remote, but I have honestly not used that at all because it's just been so easy to use the app. So yeah, I highly recommend it.